play on this for a while longer. You get tired of it, we'll kill him on normal, go do Domo and Rag and be done.
Count needed food and another mite, please. Thank you.
Alright, Ender, you got assist if they need to be moved, just do it.
Heard, Chef.
Girl, you had 7 stacks.
Heal butters.
Thor was taunting in 3, 2, 1, sack.
Percy toning 3, 2, 1.
Heal barbecue.
Okey doke.
Well, it would be Carrick's turn.
I'm keeping her alive. I'm keeping her alive. I'm doing my job.
I had the
Yeah, the
debuff, so I take 450% more damage from magic.
He had to pick the boss up after Percy died, and was it during an Inferno Blade?
Yeah, Percy didn't get any heals for 5 seconds before death. Or any substantial heals. I mean, the double hit, sure, but it looks like he got a double hit at 2.7 to 2.4. He just, his only, like, heals that he was really getting was Death Strike. I mean, the beacon for 11k and 12k is nothing when his health pool is like 700,000. Yep, that's how his deaths always look.
Yep. Again, tanks for your priority. If melee are going to die, we would rather that happen than lose a tank. Some of that's movement, some of that's not getting cast off fast enough, some of it's because there's just a lot of shit going on. So we got this.
Thorby, you seeing a difference when I'm sacking you or not?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Just making sure.
That 20% helps a lot.
Loth and sandwich food.
Ally.
Oh,
Trash is up.
Holy mother of God.
That'll do it.
Yep, hero.
We got to be sure. I mean, the rest of it's coming too, right?
yeah.
That's what she said.
Mm,
Oh yeah.
All right.
This isn't gonna make a difference, but if I can get in the tank groups, at least my healing stream tell them to send me the tanks at all times.
Yes, on Monday. Let's kill this pack and just be done. Like we got 5 minutes left. We'll have to kill trash, get reset. It's it's good as time as any. Good progress on this. Again, I think Monday we'll probably start. We'll just go kill Spider and then come back and bang our heads against this for a little while longer. If anybody has any revelations over the weekend about things we could improve or do differently, even on an individual basis, everybody do some homework and we'll get it figured out.
Spider trash up. Yeah, it is.
At least we got the extra rep.
Yeah, I mean, this is what I had planned, and we got again the bosses that I wanted to down. We made good progress here. We had a sub 50% pull night one. That's pretty good. Even in the last tier, we would usually have to spend 2 full nights on when we went to full prog mode to get stuff down. This is probably going to take longer than that, but we're in a much better spot than we were. Now, thank you. Thank tanks. Go hug your neighborhood tanks. They do a lot. We appreciate you. Healers as well. This sucks. Yeah, sign up for Monday. Show up. Let's kill some stuff.
Why was I just like, where's Roamed? Where's Roamed? Big fucking dragon sitting
So
over there.
Percy, that just means like no Mondays ever, right?
Yeah, as far as I know, I'll be working till 10 on Mondays.
Okay, but your schedule, I don't remember. What did it look like? Like what would be free days?
I work Saturday through Monday, so every other day.
You work 3 days?
Yes, they're long shifts.
Gotcha. Okay. We've been talking about like putting out a thing to see if it would be beneficial to switch up. We may do that, especially with the Christmas holiday, and see what that looks like. Monday's always been kind of unpopular, but also popular because nobody else raids that night. But we may do some investigate and see what we can come up with. We don't. The Holy Priest, I think, is usually the one that's not, but I don't think there's a problem with comp there. And I mean, we made good progress. The pulls that we had that went deeper into the fight, we did well with adapting, figuring out who can soak, who can't. I think we would have been a lot better off if I had remembered that I can hot soakers and not burn my tank plus healing. So some of that's on me and just being unfamiliar with my healer spec. But we're in good shape. We just need practice and to get more of this where everybody feels good about what they're doing all the time instead of being a little bit apprehensive. But yeah, GG's everybody.
Dad guild.
Dad guild. We're doing well, honestly. Like I think getting the 4 down we did as quickly as we did puts us in a good spot as long as we keep having people show up. Like Spider will We can kill Spider. We just had to be coordinated about it. We can kill that. Rag is going to be a fucking beast, but like we can kill both the other bosses. We just got to put in time.
We are definitely doing good progress. I believe that. Love it. Good night.
GG. Night.
All right, good night, guys.
Night.
Good night, guys.